see again on your screen. This is to bring to your notice that our Aso are fully ready for pickup. So I'm here to bring to you our total package for men Aso for our 80th anniversary. It goes with 36,000 naira only, and with your 36,000 naira you are going on with this our filler, this 6 years of Ankara, this polo shirt I'm putting on, and this face cap. If you want to buy a full package for women, we have it for 41,000, and it contains the face cap, the head gear, the 6 years of Ankara, and the polo vest I'm putting on. So the total package for all is 41,000. Kindly book yours before we run out of stock.